Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to change yes or no to symbol in Excel cell using VBA. In the example sheet, we have task list in column A and status in column B where user will enter yes or no. So go to developer menu and click on Visual Basic option. Now it will open the Visual Basic editor. Now double click the worksheet in which data is available. In our case, the sheet name is task. Now select worksheet in the object drop down and select change in procedure drop down. Now it will create change event handler. Inside the sub procedure, type if target dot count large is greater than 1, then exit sub. Now here count large property returns the count of selected cells or range. In the absence of this line, if you select more than one cell, then event will throw error. Now to change yes or no to corresponding symbols in column B, type if not intersect open bracket target comma range B colon B in double quotes, closing bracket for range, closing bracket for intersect is nothing then and if. Now here intersect method is used to make sure that the target range must be included in the specified range. In our case, the function will work for column B only. Now inside the if condition, type select case L case open bracket target dot value closing bracket. Now the first case is for yes or y. So we'll write case yes comma y colon then target dot value equals to ch or w open bracket 10004 closing bracket, and the second case for no. So type case no comma n colon target dot value equals to chrw 10006 and select. Now using L case, code will work for both lowercase and uppercase. CHRW will return the character associated with the specified character code. Now go to Excel sheet and in column B enter yes, no, y or n in uppercase or lowercase. The code will change the character or string into corresponding symbol. If you type y or n or yes or no in any other cell, it will not convert into symbol due to intersect method. Comment the first line where we are using count large method. Now go to Excel sheet, select the multiple cells and press delete button. The code will show error. Now uncomment the line. Now select multiple cells and press delete button. The code will not throw any error. So using these simple steps, you can convert the text into required symbol. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching.